Life is expensive, and many of you feel your dreams are out of reach, and it breaks my heart because there is a solution. Send me a message for complimentary information on how to join our team and community and start living your dreams. No selling or phone calls, no special skills needed except motivation and ambition. Work from anywhere at any time. Everyone is assigned a personal mentor. A laptop and phone is all you need. Continuous support and membership in our private community of over 35,000 business owners globally. Existing business owners want to learn a new skill and take their products and services online and add another stream of income. Live your life today. Your dreams are within reach. Info. Learn more below. Register right away for our complimentary live online workshop explaining how it works and enjoy live testimonials from members of our team. The only regret I had was not doing this sooner. www.sophiarose.com